Bard and ward. Bard. Bard is a noun that can have two main meanings. The first meaning of bard refers to a poet or a singer of epic poems, often associated with ancient times and historical tales. In this context, a bard is someone who tells stories through poetry or song, usually with a focus on heroic deeds or significant events. The second meaning of bard is a verb that means to cover meat or poultry with thin slices of fat before cooking to keep it moist and add flavor. Examples: in medieval times, bards were highly respected for their ability to entertain and recount tales of valor. The bard at the festival captivated the audience with his lyrical storytelling. Ward. Ward is a noun with multiple meanings as well. The first common meaning of ward is a person, typically a child or someone unable to care for themselves, who is under the protection or care of another. This can also refer to a division within a hospital or institution. The second meaning of ward is a verb that means to guard or protect something against possible harm or danger. Examples: the orphanage took in many wards who needed a safe and nurturing environment. The security guards were assigned to ward off any potential intruders. Differences: the main difference between bard and ward lies in their definitions and usage. Bard is primarily associated with storytelling or poetry, while ward is more commonly used in the context of protection or care. Additionally, bard is a noun and a verb related to literature and cooking, whereas ward is mainly a noun referring to a person or a place under protection. Despite these differences, both words have historical connotations and can evoke images of guardianship or storytelling.